Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Say happy Thursday, happy Sense of Six. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today, guys. Before I get over here, guys, I just want to say a huge congratulations to Bafana for winning, guys. You can see South Africa is happy. It's very proud of you, guys. So yesterday it was for your guys' graduation. Probably yesterday she was too busy to post the pictures. Only today she posted this a few pictures, guys, with a caption: behind every graduate, it is the family who never stop believing. This one is for my parents. As you can see, she's standing next to her both parents, mom and dad. We all know that Vuyokazi, she once said she is the firstborn. She has a brother. I'm not sure if it's a brother or sister, guys. You can see your sister graduating, meaning that the next time it'll be you. So a huge congratulations to Vuyokazi, guys. People are so happy. People are saying, Vuyokazi is an example of what, as a baby mama, you must never give up on yourself, no matter what the situation you are in, guys. Always wake up and tell yourself, one day I'm gonna make it, guys. Do it for your kids. Today Mhlophe, she's gonna look at her mom and say, mama made it, I'm also gonna make it, guys, in future. So it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.